began the new year with unparalleled enthusiasm and grandeur. The bustling party destinations of MG Road, Brigade Road and Church Street saw gathering of massive crowds, creating an electrifying atmosphere. Police officials were strategically deployed throughout the area to ensure the safety of the people. However, implementing a one-way pedestrian plan posed a formidable challenge for police in managing the crowds. The beginning of 2024 at midnight started with a spectacular display of fireworks. The enthusiastic crowd cheered together, creating a collective wave of excitement. This New Year celebrations were comparatively peaceful due to the efforts of the police and other stakeholders. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.